Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best track saws that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. Also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Makita Plunge saw with guide rail. We love the precise, splinter-free cuts you can achieve with this corded track saw from Makita. It has the standard 6.5-inch blade and 12-amp motor, but also has variable speed control that you can set from 2,000 revolutions per minute to 5,200 revolutions per minute. Turn it down slow when cutting through hard woods, or crank it up high when slicing through softer materials. Either way, you'll like the tool's soft start function, which eases into the speed setting to make it easier for you to maintain control. Once at full speed, the saw's electronic speed control keeps it steady even while cutting through boards. And with magnesium components, this track saw only weighs 9.7 pounds, making it easy to carry with you when needed. Moving on. At number 4, we have the Plunge Cut Sidewinder circular track saw. Track saws can be undeniably expensive. That's why we like the CT 1065. If you are trying to keep your budget under control and don't need a saw with the utmost in power or extra features, this is a fine plunge saw that does a great job of making accurate cuts across plyboard and similar materials. The saw has a 10-amp engine and a 6.5-inch blade. It does not have variable speed control. The maximum speed of the tool is 5,500 revolutions per minute, nor does it have a soft start features. Still, customers for the most part felt that this is a fantastic entry-level saw for those who don't want to pay for bell and whistles they might not need. At number 3, we have the Festool Plunge Cut track saw with rails. If you want a plunge saw that delivers the ultimate in precise, splinter-free cuts, is easy to adjust, and comes with a 6.25-inch thin kerf blade, we love this option from Festool. Kerf refers to the width of the groove cut by a blade, and this beauty from Festool has a mere 1.8mm kerf. That means not only does the blade create a more precise cut with less sawdust, but it also means that the strain on the 10-amp motor is reduced, allowing the saw to cut faster and cleaner. Even when the blade is at an angle, its cutting edge remains in full contact with the material being cut, so your control and your results are unaffected. The variable speed control of the TS55 sets from 2,000 revolutions per minute to 5,800 revolutions per minute. It bevels from -1 to 47 degrees, with a maximum depth of 1 11/16 inch when at a 45-degree angle, and up to 2 1/8 inch at a 90-degree angle. The depth of cut adjusts in micro measurements, so you can be as precise as you need. At number 2, we have the Makita 36-volt brushless cordless track saw. This battery-powered plunge saw from Makita runs off two 18-volt batteries for a total of 36 volts of power, meaning that this is no weakling when it comes to slicing through plywood and other materials. The saw has a 6.5-inch blade and variable speeds of 2,500 revolutions per minute to 6,300 revolutions per minute, with a soft start that lets you ease into cutting. It also has Makita's automatic speed change technology, which automatically adjusts the saw's speed and torque to best suit the performance of the tool. You can even use this plunge saw to cut through aluminum, man-made countertop materials such as corian and melamine, but you'll need to swap out the blade for an optional, material-specific blade to do so. The track saw can bevel from -1 to 48 degrees and has positive stops at 22.5 degrees and 45 degrees. When at a 45-degree angle, its maximum depth of cut is 1 9/16 inch, and at 90 degrees it can cut up to 2 3/16 inch deep. And finally at number 1, we have the Craig Adaptive Cutting System Track Saw. The variable speed motor runs from 2,000 revolutions per minute to 6,000 revolutions per minute and compensates for load so you don't get annoying bogged down or undesired slowing. It has a riving knife and anti-kickback technology as well, which minimize the chances of the saw kicking back towards you should it get stuck on a wood knot or other obstruction. The Plunge saw comes with a 62-inch guide track, which is longer than most other brands supply with their track saws. Plus, you can purchase separate connectors and additional lengths of guide rail to go even longer, if desired. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.